Welcome to Reshine Display, a leading manufacturer of touchscreen displays. We take pride in our commitment to delivering touchscreen display solutions to businesses worldwide. Since 2007, Reshine Display has become a trusted manufacturer of touchscreen displays. With our own state-of-the-art factories in both Shenzhen and Huizhou, we have the capability to produce a wide range of touchscreen solutions that redefine user experiences. Our product lineup includes capacitive touchscreens, resistive touchscreens, and TFT LCD displays, available in sizes ranging from 2.4 inches to 32 inches. Rather than supplying standard parts, Reshine Display specializes in offering custom solutions tailored to meet our customers' unique requirements. Whether it's ODM or OEM support, our team is committed to delivering the perfect touchscreen display solution for your specific needs. Our collaborative partnerships with leading businesses across industries have allowed us to create tailor-made solutions that exceed expectations. Whether it's industrial control equipment, medical devices, smart home automation, automotive displays, POS systems, or biometric solutions, we empower businesses with the touchscreen technology they need to thrive. With over 16 years of industry experience, we have honed our expertise in touchscreen technology. Our 10,000 square meter facility houses a team of 180 to 200 highly skilled professionals dedicated to ensuring the highest quality standards. The production capacity of capacitive screen is 150,000 pieces per month, and that of resistive screen is 600,000 pieces per month. At Reshine Display, quality is our top priority. Our dedicated team of skilled professionals works diligently to ensure each touchscreen meets our rigorous standards. From design and prototyping to manufacturing and testing, we leave no stone unturned in delivering products of utmost reliability and performance. We invite you to explore how our touchscreens can enhance your products and drive success. Visit reshine-display.com to reach out to our dedicated team.